Hey guys, it's Hung here from Flow Brackets. We're here today to install our brand new OEM Plinth Delete Kit on this Lexus NX350. Before we get started, we're just going to remove the license plate and OEM plinth and install our brand new part. All you got to do is remove the screws and then reuse the screws into the same part. So our new plinth fits right back into the factory grille. All you got to do is align the holes to the holes on the backing and then use the factory screws and put it into the hole. Alright, now that we've installed our plinth, what we're going to do now is install our bracket. So this is a two-part system, so you need to purchase the correct bracket to suit your license plate. So for this one, we're going to be using a slimline bracket with this slimline plate. All you got to do now is screw this bracket into the plinth. Now it's time to address the rear. So the main issue with the rear is that the plate is mounted directly to the paint. So over time what will happen is the number plate will start to rub and it'll start to wear away the paint. And you've also got these two notches that you see that are visible. So if this is something that bothers you or something that you want to be fixed, what you can do is you can run a bracket, and we can address that by taking off the plate and then installing our bracket. Now that we've got the plate off, you can see these two big notches and the two little dimples at the bottom. What we're going to do is put the bracket on and then we just align it through there, and then you can adjust it up and down just so that we can, in between the two, we can cover up those notches. And if you really want to cover the whole thing, what you can do is you can also add a cover just to fill out the whole thing. So what we're going to do now is just space off the plate. We're going to mount the bolt through the bracket and into the spacer. That way the bracket isn't touching the paint. There we go, the plate's all installed. This product is suitable for the Lexus 350 and 450 with the F Sport grille from 21 onwards. Hope this video helped you, and the product is live on our page.